Hey, Just Frogget here. Look at this, an old-fashioned ice cream truck coming down our street. You can hear the twinkling little chime thing going on, music, yes. Just wanted to get this and show everybody that they are coming our way. Look at the lineup down there. It helps when you have a whole bunch of little kids around your neighborhood now.
It does.
With people moving in and stuff.
Oh, it looks like somebody's got a hurt foot.
Yeah, somebody's walking across the street with crutches. Little girl. Yeah, we'll just wait for her to come down to us. Here I have, if you open it up this way, the first over here, there's the $20 right there.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to record and you can get us ice cream. I'm going to put them on YouTube. I have my debit card here too, but I think they only take
No,
cash.
they don't take cash.
Look at that. Old-fashioned ice cream truck. Yum, yum.
Hasn't come down here this year.
Ice cream, you scream, you're touching my bum.
I know it. I'm trying to brush I'm pinching your bum.
Oh, you're pinching it now. What? Stop that.
I'm trying to get the hair off your butt from the dog.
We're on video. Stop that.
You better edit this video.
No way. It's raw.
Well, watch what you're doing there.
I am. They're still coming. Just gotta wait for them to come our way. See, that's the thing. If you get people out like this, they'll start coming down your street more often. Hello.
Hi.
Onto the one thing you got halfway up the roof. Look at this. That is cool. Oh, look at this. There's kids running from the street up, coming down this way too.
Yeah, they are.
They hear the little chime from the ice cream truck. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Going around the streets, yep.
Coming down to get some ice cream.
No, that's awesome. It's good for business.
It is good for business.
And that little chime you can hear a few blocks away. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, kids coming down to get some popsicles and ice cream on a hot day. What is the temperature today anyways?
26, 27, I think.
26 or 27 Celsius? Wow. It's humid though.
Yeah, it is humid.
Oh, look at this while we're waiting. Look at Mom's new truck.
Oh.
Mom's new truck she just got on Monday. 2 days ago.
Whoop, whoop.
Whoop whoop. It's a dark, sparkly blue. Isn't it pretty? And look at this. Chrome on the front.
More for me to polish.
Chrome on the front. Look at this color. Look at this dark blue.
It's got a little fleck in it though.
Dark blue.
So
Look at that. Look at, you can see the sparkles right in here. See the sparkles? Isn't it beautiful? Come on, ice cream truck, we're waiting.
And Lana's already driven the truck.
I have within an hour, not even an hour of getting it. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's kind of cool.
I can see through my
Woo, that bird just almost dive bombed us. She'll come this way. I'm gonna miss getting the Santa going down the street too this year because I'm gonna be at Dad's.
Yeah.
That's okay. I can just replay another video from another day.
Yeah.
That'll work.
I can do it for you maybe.
Yeah, you can do it too.
Remember.
And then send it to me.
Yeah. Watch what you do.
And send it to me.
I close the door because it's just going to make the dogs go crazy.
That's okay. Look, they're coming our way. Woohoo!
Here they come.
That's awesome. There's a couple of people in there. He's got little kids in there too.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Look at the ice cream.
Wave.
Look at that. Perfect.
Awesome. Okay, what do you want?
I don't know. What do I want?
Oh my. Look at all
Yeah.
the stuff we can get.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, you? You don't mind if I record you, right? I'm on YouTube, so
What do
YouTube.
you want, Lana?
Oh, I want the strawberry shortcake one.
strawberry.
Yes, please.
And I want.
Oh, a different one.
Yeah. 1 second. I
So
need
good. She needs a second.
the cocoa.
Which one?
Yeah. Taco. The chocolate taco.
I want a fudgesicle too.
And a fudgesicle too.
Oh, I miss fudgesicles so bad. Perfect. Woo woo. Ice cream truck. Look at this.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, you're gonna need to stop
Yep.
videotaping it.
That's it, folks.